Today we're gonna do some windy weather fishing. We're gonna use the spinner because it's seriously blowing like gusts of like 20, 25 or something like that outside here. But we're gonna go look for some peacocks at first, and then if that doesn't work out, we'll go fishing for some bass on, you know, in some local little golf course areas. So that's what's happening today. We're gonna have some fun. Let's go, let's go, let's go.
Golf cart, we had a golf cart.
These guys,
Hey,
all fishing.
Hey,
Put the hat on backwards. Woo! Oh, peacock bass.
This is sick.
Oh, you got spots. He's got spots. I never even knew this was back here. So we're just gonna cruise along, looking for peacocks. And if you can't see, there's the canal right here. So we're just gonna cruise along this little area right here and see if we can't see them in there. That's pretty cool.
Like we're gonna go right here to this area, and I didn't actually even see it. It just got my little bait out there, a little 6 foot. Came up and hit it right there. Been right around me on the shore right here with the sand.
Gotcha. Yeah, there's one right there. We found one.
Yep.
We got one.
Yep.
Right down here. That's so sick.
Yep.
So we just saw one. He's about 1.5 pounds or something like that. And lots of times there'll be 2 of them on these beds. Here, you can use this thing. I'll put the fly rod together. I'm excited to check the Nautilus out. All right, we're gonna throw this clouser.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
People will be able to catch
It's recording. Got my first peacock.
it. Yeah.
We just messed with him for a little bit. So, all right, let's get him up here. First peacock on the fly. Oh,
Nice.
look at that. On a little salty clouser and everything.
Let's check him out. Let's see him a little closer.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. There we go. Yeah,
Oh yeah.
that is sick.
Pretty little fish there.
Look at that.
Beauty.
Little slimy.
Flipping around.
These guys, to me, like remind me completely of snappers. All right, caught the first peacock bass on the fly with Paul Mahar. He got me on him. He was just on a little bed underneath a stick, and literally I just jigged this little clouser up and down right on top of him. He sucked it in like 8 times, and finally he held it long enough for me to stick him. So that was awesome. Thanks, Paul. Appreciate it.
No worries.
That's awesome.
All right.
Woo! 3-pound range. All right, we're at a secret spot. We're gonna switch it up, catch regular largemouth bass now. It's gonna be dope. There we go, right off the bat. Paul, first one. Look at that bass. That's a white one, huh?
Yeah.
On the, what color spinnerbait? That was a gold spinnerbait. Nice one. Fitzgerald's rods, killing it. The Mahars. Later, buddy. Got the spinnerbait again. It's all about that spinnerbait action. Another little guy on the gold spinnerbait. Yeah, man. Paul and I are dodging storms. Check it out. It is thunder and lightning and pretty bad out here.
Oh yeah.
Paul's caught all the fish so far. Me, 0, nada. I had a blow up on a popper, but that was it. I thought it was gonna start off better for me, but Paul's the only one that did it.
Yeah.
Now it's coming down.
It's been working. Everything else out.
You hear that? First, spinner worms. That's what we're fishing with, spinner worms. Yeah, so, all right. Yep, we're getting poured on. There's lightning everywhere around us. Thought I just cleaned off this lens, but obviously I didn't. So we're hiding out from the lightning. there's Paul again. And but can you see that? There's lightning everywhere. Ah, the rain, we're soaking wet. Happens. That's fishing. We're having fun though. Yeah. Rainy out here, huh? We just we got a workout in.
Oh yeah.
Wonder why I did that. But we just ran a little bit, got our cardio in. Having fun.
I honestly feel like the problem is this. I wonder if we took the back trouble off. And then when it rips it, you know what I'm saying? Turn it like this and push it down, pull it out. And then that way that won't get caught on me. It's gonna be harder to take it right here.
And what we can do is, how is the best way to do it? Hold that like that. Hold the actual hook like this. And I'll take that one and pull that part out like that.
You have to kind of twist it a little more.
Find out where. Right there.
That way you get the same, you know what I'm saying, both pulls at the same time.
Yep. Alright. Now, you're going to tell me when, and I'm just going to rip it, alright?
Now go ahead and kind of like pull it like
Get it taut.
you're gonna want it to go up this way, I think.
Think so?
Yeah, when you pull
Up
it
like that?
Yeah.
Alright, and you're just going to push down on it pretty hard. Tell me when. Okay. Pull it right up, okay? Ready? Set, go! Pull it straight up. Alright, that's our problem.
Yeah, let me try. You hold it down there. You hold it down again.
So that's our problem right there. That barely,
Well, see how it's sliding?
It's not doing it, so what we need it's making it worse. Sure.
Let's just get out of here. Get my health good.
Okay. Feels like that. Shitty. Whew.
Come on.
It's right there.
Come on.
Come on, come out.
Come
You
on.
got this. You got it. Just pull it right out. It's coming.
Come on.
You got it. That's the hard part. It's just poking through. It's just poking through. Really gotta rip it. Really gotta rip it through. Woo! It's right there. Oh my goodness. Rip it. It's so crazy that it doesn't want to just go through. It's poking out.
It's like almost like the.
That skin's so crazy. Oh yeah, it's out. Now you just gotta force it that rest. That's the hard part. This is the hard part. This is the hook set. Yeah,
Come on,
that's it.
fucker.
It's because it's that.
It's got a big ass barb on this thing or something.
Who makes these hooks?
Gamagatsu.
Gamagatsu, you got me again.
Gamagatsu, I'm gonna sue you.
No, we're not.
No, I don't sue.
Come on, push it through.
Lord, dude.
Oh, it's right there. We got like a centimeter, more centimeters on it. It's right there. I know it hurts. I know it hurts. So let me push down on there. Ugh. It's right there.
Holy shit, dude.
God, you get crazy. It's right there.
Still just try to see if you can see it, even if you pull it on the tip.
I don't know if that's possible. You know what I mean? So, I think what I need to do. Stop. Split. Get hot.
It's like that barb is just doesn't want to push through for some reason. And well, part of it is because of the way what's happening now is this is getting caught right here.
Get caught in the rain.
Yeah.
Let me see, Bob. Let me take a look. Let me take a look, Bob. Okay. Let me, I think I can do it. Where were you guys? PTA?
Come on, it's so close.
Yeah, she's good. Try it. I'll push it down.
It's right there.
You don't have much to go there. A little bit more. You got it. You got it.
Did you hear it?
Let me.
There you go.
Getting there. Perfect. Congratulations. Where's that hook?
He did it!
Kill that song.
That's a heavy duty
Oh man,
hook
let's
right
hear
there.
him. Oh man. Kamagatsu got him.
Wow.
Oh well, at least we got it.
That's good.
That's
That's
cool.
There you go.
It's gonna feel great.
Stuff that burn. Oops.
I like the peroxide.
She sizzle.
Oh yeah.
There you go.
Sizzling it. All right.
Put this on TV.
Yep, it's going on TV.
You got it.
Nice.
Awesome.
No problem.
These are,
You got it.
you got your
Yep, I
pliers.
got my pliers. You
Yeah,
get
oh, wait a minute. Here you go. I got some band-aids too here.
So it's the next day. That was crazy. I know. Just giving you context. We got it out. I don't know if we showed you guys, but we got the lure out. That was an awesome day. I didn't catch anything. Paul caught everything. And he also caught his wrist. He got a new bracelet on. This is all part of fishing. It was pretty fun. It was funny. We talked about like that last cast. It was like it was us saying, we'll take one last cast, and he was like, you know, it's usually when bad things happen, it's always when you're just messing around, or last cast, or you know, last try if you skateboard or ride bikes or whatever. And I don't know, I just thought that was kind of cool that we thought about that, because that's usually always how it happens. It's the next day. Didn't do anything today, but we just wanted to tell you guys thank you so much for watching. Appreciate it. I have fun doing this stuff. Let me know in the comments what you guys would like to see next, and if you liked it. Pretty much just tell me if you liked it. That's all I care about, because if you don't like it, I need to do something that you do like. So that's Salty Vlog number, what, 13, something like that, 12, 13, and pretty cool.